Oh,
Hey, hey, what was that?
nah. Don't worry about it.
There's
Just
something in the water.
keep
There's
driving.
something in the water.
Keep driving.
You're the one who's driving, you drive. Saying keep driving. You're the one who's driving, bro.
The milkman? Quote.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
drive.
I'm driving. I'm literally holding down the button, so to the point where I'm pretty sure my controller might break soon.
To go right.
Hold on, okay, yeah.
They're coming!
Bro, they're swimming! Bro, these men are swimming!
They're done. You're fucking chasing us. Wow, wow. Take a left now, y'all. I think we're good. We're good. Whew.
Are we? Hotel, where we go? This way?
Hotel Travago.
This way? The hell is that?
Ooh. We're safe. Safe.
Nah, I don't think we are. I think we're in a lot more danger than we were in the first half. Where's my man? Where's Bill?
Yep.
Swear.
Just chilling.
Swear.
Not chill.
Do you know what? I can't even hate him for it. Can't even hate him for it, bro. I understand. I understand completely.
Can't whack him.
I guess we're going up here then. Yeah. Bro, this is real life. We would have been dead by now. Oh, we don't have the stamina for this.
I'm too fat.
It's,
My asthma will kill me.
you got asthma, bro. I swear, bro. I'd be at the gates and I'd be livid with you. Cause you
Give me 10 seconds.
Yo, pull me up.
Give me a second. Hold on.
Give me a second. Bro, I'd be so livid. Hey. Down.
Can I have this? Thank you.
No worries. Those needles, jeez.
The fucking harpoons.
I don't know what we're supposed to do. Go this way? Out the window? No?
I can't jump. I think we have to go back out.
Back out, okay, cool. Okay, we're going down here then.
Yeah. Can I leave these down here? Do I have to? Yo, can you take these? Big man. From here? Nope.
This one maybe?
No.
This one?
Maybe on the right.
It's the puzzle aspect now, that's really gonna take the piss, isn't it?
I can't even put these down.
I think you were supposed. Were we supposed to jump down with these at all?
It's not like I can put these back down anymore.
Well, you have to take them somewhere. Can we not get back on the boat? I can push the
I think
boat.
we can. Hey, push the. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's time for us to leave,
so
I
think
guess.
it's time for us to leave, yeah. I don't
Did
know
we check
why.
out the hotel?
No. Oh, you're supposed to. You can equip and throw the harpoons, by the way.
How?
L1 square. Yeah, I'm guessing you hear the mine. Bro, careful. Our hammer. You just harpooned. Are you, bro? Are you insane? You just harpooned it. Oh my gosh! Reaction time is on point, bro. In front. See you, yeah. That aim is insane. Man said the brother pin up next. Got shot quick time. Yeah, your aim is insane.
Move, I dare you.
I'd throw it anyway. Just cause. In front. Got that ready.
Who the fuck is that?
That's another one of our. That's another one of our friends.
Why do they keep running away?
Bro, I don't know. I'm guessing we're trying to save them all, but yo. Yo. I'm so glad it's you and not me. We would have been lost by now. My aim is terrible. Gosh, they swim fast. Okay, heads up. Who's that?
Oh.
Oh yeah. Just interrupt him while he's eating. Oh, he was not phased.
It didn't, bro! It didn't, bro!
Did he just blow up? Okay. That's my fault. That's my fault. I literally
don't know nobody.
I drove right into him.
I got this. Bye. I got this.
Here it comes. Front. On the right. Nice.
Fucking murder.
Saved as well.
Nothing lives. Hey, picky.
I'm not gonna do not disturb quickly. Hey, my boy.
Don't jump.
Jump!
Oh, it's waving.
Nah, jump! Jump!
No! It's a big bird. It's a big bullseye. Big one. Maybe it's supposed to land over there?
Oh my gosh, look at that one.
Oh. Come here, you cunt. I can't shoot it! I can't hit it! I can't! You can't hit it. You can't hit it.
So we have to go up there, yeah. There's no other way.
Yeah, what was with the explosive thing? What the fuck?
I genuinely don't know.
I guess we missed it and now we can't do it anymore.
But we tried to do it though. We tried every single explosive. We tried every single explosive and they're all duds. So I'm guessing we'll have to progress and maybe we can get rid of him that way.
Mm.
Climbing in perfect unison.
Do, do, do.
This don't look ominous at all. This big ass
Sword Saint
Rascal.
Ishin, where are you?
Sword Saint Ishi. No, my days, don't say that.
I'm free. We're free. Freedom.
Oh Jesus.
Where's Billy?
I don't know where Billy is actually. He's supposed to be behind us, but he's not here anymore. Jeez, man, come on. Is that popcorn? No.
Just some waste.
What's this? Oh, I need your help. For some reason, where am I gonna chuck you?
Where are you gonna? Oh, you're just gonna. Oh, oh no.
God damn. Look at them pigs.
The pigs. Get me out of here.
Did you see the massive thing in the back though?
Yeah, pigs.
Nah, there was one massive thing that was bigger than them, bro. It looked like it was a mini car. It was in the back.
Fucking Mini Cooper.
Okay, it's probably open. Cool. Go on.
No?
Brother, what?
Not me.
Okay, we need the key though. Okay. So on the right, on this side then. These brothers, bro.
Huh? Dude, oh. Fuck it. Fucking piece of shit.
Bro, I'm telling you. Oh, okay, let's go. Please. They ain't pigs, by the way.
Hey, pigs. I just left them. Move out the way. Oh.
What is this? Oh, you can push them. Bravo. Get out of the way. Are they're stab proof? Nah, bro, that's what I'm talking about. You see the thing in the back? Look at it.
Oh.
This is what I'm trying to tell you, bro.
It's friendly.
That is not friendly.
You're my guy.
It's eating another pig.
Oh.
Right, yeah. Friendly my cheeks. How about we leave it
Cannibal.
alone? It spoke.
Okay.
It spoke. It spoke. It spoke. Yeah, it spoke. No.
It said leave, we leave.
The nigga said leave.
It's walking.
Where's it walking to, bro? Relax. I just cause him trouble, man. Jeez. Rats with wings, bro, I swear. Alright, cool. Ooh. Concept art. Still have yet to find another mask. What the hell? Where's Bill?
He's probably just sitting somewhere.
Guys, no help at all, man, I swear. Oh, there's my man. Brother.
Ooh. Break him out. We got another man. Oh,
yeah.
run, run. Oh my god! You're floating.
He's still coming, he's still coming.
Oh, you fucker!
Oh my gosh. Nah, this is morbid.
Oh my
Yeah,
god!
absolutely bombing. Nuts like that. Oh my god. Oh, he can't even fly. Oh, in. Let's go. Hurry up. Bring him to the pig. Look at the flipping birds.
Oh my god! Where are you? Is that me?
Bro, you got kamikaze, bro. I can't say that. You literally got demolished.
Yeah, it's veered off to the left some. Guess I
Bro,
was
both
watching
of
it.
the characters are this way.
Yeah. Well.
Listen. Okay.
I think you gotta help. Eat it.
Okay,
Eat it.
beef it.
Eat it.
Yeah, beef
Eat
it.
it. Eat it.
Let's go.
Yes.
Damn. We some hooligans, bro. We really just burned some random farm. Hard feathered is crazy.
Hey, we got a new member to the gang.
So what do you want to call him? You want to call him Phil? Mark? Tom?
Fly.
Fly. Bill and Fly.
Next thumbnail. Boom. There we are.
Why we're here. You are there.
Why is everyone back
Yo.
away from me?
You got the ring power. No. Oh, you're evil.
That just looks wrong. Oh, gosh.
Oh my. You got some darkness to you. What are you?
Oh, Phil? Yeah,
boss?
kids, let's not do that. This is a staple tactic. What are we talking about?
Come on, let's go. On the bus we go.
We can sit somewhere anyway. I think you might just thought I was gonna throw up this time. You know, shit. Hold on now. Good monsters killing.
What? What?
Not a single brain cell behind those eyes, man. I'm just gonna ignore there's a ghost driving. Give me 1 second, let me just stop recording and start again.
Yeah, same here.